Want some water now? Or you want your Coke?
If I do ask you to make your way to the muster station, please do so in a nice, calm, orderly fashion. There's no need to panic. The crew are fully trained. They can panic on your behalf. Please don't sit on or climb over the handrails for obvious reasons. Do make use of them, but it's a boat. They can roll around a little bit.
If you see anything in the water, maybe dolphins, maybe anything, we'll go look at it. Sometimes we see the dolphins, sometimes penguins we see sometimes, and seals as well. Normally it's raining. So sorry about this little bit of sunshine. Millions of little mussels. It's a black mussel and there are tests.
I would have been disappointed coming here and not have snow.
Three seals.
Yeah, that little one. Okay, it's not as wide. That's actually the Bridal Whale Falls. It falls from 51 metres. Now it's a very special waterfall, the Bridal Whale Falls. You'll notice it falls out of a crack in the mountain. Very calm out here today. But if you're on the stairs, here's a good swell. Just watch out everyone, just hold on. If you're on the stairs, move very slowly and use the handrails. You can just about see the Sydney Opera House out there. It's 4 days out there to Australia. 4 nights sailing. side of the fjord is often the coldest part in the winter time. Well done of those of you who are outside, obviously. Why do most of the seals stay on the big rock? That's a good question. What they do is when the tide is high, they actually bust up out of the water and they turn their flippers around and they can walk up this rock, and the seal at the top of the rock, curled up there like a dog, he's in the top spot. Now you can tell these are teenage males because they are sleeping all day and they go fishing all night. No job, no responsibilities, perfect existence.
You see them there?
Yeah.
When we take a breath, we use 12% of our lungs, and when they surface with a breath, in one single, they change 85% of their lung capacity.